All right, so my right, left, right, left, right tail light doesn't work, and my turn signals are making some weird, some stupid stuff. Uh, the last thing I can switch out now is that turn signal lever relay, however you want to call it, and I'm going to try that today. Shouldn't be too hard, so let's see. So first of all, I have to take that thing apart to get to the turn signal lever, which I'm gonna replace with a new one, as when I turn left that thing gets stuck and my right tail light doesn't work. And as the bulb and everything and ground and blah 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 is okay, and those bulbs are working together, that might be the reason. So we'll see. So first I took that cover off from here, and it's just two of those Phillips screws, left and right, and then it comes right off. Then I took off the screws here, and on the other side it's two of them. Maybe I find a third one, but I don't know. Let me see. It should come off. It's also Phillips, and you need a longer screwdriver because the short ones or something like this is simply not long enough to get to them. There actually is a third one. Whoops. Come on. Down here, there. It's also Phillips, long one. That has to come out as well. Swing. So there they are, the covers, and it took a little violence, but not too much, to take them off. And now I'll see what I have to do next. Screw number one has to come out. Well, it's a Torx Star, whatever. I was lucky enough to find one, so I cannot tell you the size. I just had it lying around there. Found it. It's a T20. Alright, see, you gotta disconnect those, and then you pretty much can pull it out. Don't be too violent, and remember those plugs have they have these little buttons up top. I don't know, my English is not that good, so I don't know what the real name for them is, but levers, buttons, whatever. You press them and then you pull it out, and you're good to go. So there it is, back in. Just reconnected it, shoved it back in there. And this thing here, I just ripped up the rubber. I don't need rubber. I'm married, so you probably can take the whole thing apart, but why? Just bend it up a little bit, put the new one in, bend it back down, and done. Yeah, don't forget to put this little star, torx, whatever thing back in. Put the cover back on, and you're good to go. Good luck!